Hello my friends, it's another day, it's another dollar. So everything's really boring where I live because everything is closed due to the virus. Nevertheless, we're gonna try and do something fun today. As you know, I'm basically done with the engine, so everything's put together. And in the last video I actually didn't show you guys, but I do have it timed now, officially timed, and here I am. But yeah, officially it's timed, meaning cover's on, everything is legit. So that's pretty cool. And even crank position center, I think it's called, something stupid. We got this bad boy on. So that's pretty cool stuff. Anyway, this thing, to get it timed, it took me a couple tries, if I'm gonna be real honest with you, because I had no idea what I was doing. No freaking clue. But I got the manifold on, got the some of the stuff like the injectors, some evap stuff up here put together, and I have all the sensors and everything torqued down. This is torqued down with some silicone on it just to prevent any leak. I got like a box of coolant hoses that I have over here somewhere in my mess. So I have just like all brand new coolant hoses, clutches there. If anyone needs a head gasket, like I said, hit me up, hit your boy up, because I got one for free. No, I'm just kidding, like 20 bucks, come take it. So last thing I need to do is I need to do a valve adjustment on the valves so it doesn't blow up. Just kidding, it's not going to blow up by doing a valve adjustment or not doing one, but yeah. Anyway, we should be good to go. I'm going to go outside and I'm going to show you guys what I'm working on. I'm going to be painting the cover, so we're going to go wash that quick and get it all nice and degreased, and we're going to repaint it. It's already red, but we're just going to repaint it. Damn, it's actually super nice out today though. Tell me in the comments below how the coronavirus is affecting you guys at your place, or where you guys are living. All right, my friends, so this is valve cover, and flip it around. So you see it's super dirty, and I already cheated. I tried to clean up a little bit of it yesterday night for this video. So I'm gonna get my power washer out and I'm gonna get a little bit of degreaser in this, and I'm gonna try to clean up to the best of my ability. So let's see how that goes. Alright, ladies and gents, I didn't have the paint stripper that I needed. Like, I don't have any paint remover, so I'm going to the parts store real quick to see if I can get some. But I don't even know if they're open with all this coronavirus stuff, but I guess we're gonna find out. So yeah, let's go. Also, recording on the iPhone 11 Pro. My camera's over there in my room because my camera is low on battery, so decided just to whip out the good old iPhone and take that for a spin. So anyway, we made it to the Home Depot, my friend, and I'm gonna be real honest with you, this is really packed. Like, I'm pleasantly surprised that there's as many people in this Home Depot that I'm seeing, so that's kind of funny. All right, my friends, my lads, I got some paint stripper / remover, and also like a brass brush, so that I can just work on getting that stuff taken off the old valve cover. Okay, so got some stuff at Home Depot. I'm just gonna go real quick to Pep Boys or Advanced Auto Parts. I'm not sure which one just yet. And then I'm gonna go pick up some of the VHT Wrinkle Red, or I might go Wrinkle Black. I don't know yet, but we'll see. I guess we'll figure it out when we get there, and then I'll decide what I want to do. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm back at home. Got the hoopty back here. And this is what I ended up getting. I got some of the citrus scent, citrus strip. No clue this is gonna work, but I already threw down a couple coats on this, and it's starting to do some work against the paint that I already have on here. So yeah, looks pretty cool. Also, I ended up, sorry about the wind if you guys can hear that, but I ended up going with VHT Wrinkle Black. Going up with this. I was gonna go with red, actually. I promised you I was gonna go with red, but they didn't have any red. So it is what it is. It's not the end of the world, the fact that they don't have any wrinkle red. And I didn't really want to order it online and have to wait for that to come in, because if you order anything online right now and it's not essential, you're not going to get it at least for another month after you order it. It doesn't matter if it's Amazon. So yeah. Okay, so here's a quick update. You got most of the paint off. Now it just looks a little orange. But thank God I used gloves, because honestly, some of the stuff looks like a whole murder scene. This is the brush I was kind of using to scrape some of the paint off and some of the hard spots. And the gloves, yeah, gloves look like I was involved in some first-degree murder. But yeah, so far so good. I'm just trying to stay clean with everything and not make a big mess, because with paint like this, it's super easy to get everywhere. So I'm just trying to keep everything together, and whenever that does some more magic, I'll come back and I'll probably hit it with the power washer one more time, just to try and clean everything, and then I will degrease it, and then I'll hit it with the VHT black wrinkle thingy. So yeah. So one thing I wanted to share while I've been doing this, and my glove ended up breaking, and yeah, anyway, making some good progress with this. And I actually really like this stuff for one reason that I didn't even know I would find, but I ended up spraying some of this stuff in here just for fun, and it did a hell of a job at breaking down like a bunch of this like grease, carbon buildup crap. And I'm so shook. Like people like Purple Power, and Purple Power does a really good job at degreasing and stuff, but literally one small spray of this one spray of this just destroyed all the grease and oil buildup on the inside of this valve cover. I'm at a loss for words. So for my peeps out there, if you guys are trying to degrease, buy some of that. That was great. I had to share it. Okay, so I skipped a lot of steps, but this is kind of where I'm at. And I know I didn't cover a bunch of spots because I frankly don't care, and I'm just gonna sandpaper them out anyway. So, but yeah, looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna keep hitting it with the heat gun until I'm done, till it's fully dry. There's one spot on here right there that's kind of annoying me, but yeah, looks pretty sick. So okay, so kind of sorry I didn't record a lot of the process because it was really messy and a little time consuming, so I didn't want to put all that inside my phone because I don't have a lot of space left. So I recorded a couple bits and pieces of everything that I was doing, so obviously you saw that, but anyway, let me show you the final results. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. It was quite the process, I'll tell you that much. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna do about the gold. I think I'm just gonna let it rock out. I don't really care, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna get the studs and stuff back in there and just get it retightened, and we will be good to go. Anyway, my friends, so if you enjoyed this video, I highly recommend you give me a thumbs up and then you give this video a share or a comment or just drop a like. I'm trying to grow the channel as much as I can, and I'm pretty active on Facebook. So if you are in a D series community group on Facebook, hit your boy up because I'm on there as well. But anyway, appreciate you guys. Give a thumbs up. Take care.